Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Friday 5 in 5. It's just me today. The student video is corrupt, so I'll add it to the video for next week. First thing, some of you may have noticed a error message popping up this week, and that's because we switched off the old Firefly community site. And if you look at the error message, it actually talks about that it's community.patina.ac.th. So what do you need to do to fix that? If you go to Outlook on your calendar, you'll see you may have a link to a calendar that you subscribe to. You can right click and delete that. But how do I just subscribe to the new one using the new Firefly site? Well, if you go to the Staff Center, on the Staff Center, you'll see it says whole school calendar. And underneath that, you can see it says see more links. That takes a little bit of time sometimes because it's pulling in all of the thousands of different events from ISAMs. As he says that, there it is, it occurs, and you can dial in and out the different year groups that you require, and then click refresh as you switch them on and off. And what you do then is click subscribe, and a dialog box will pop up saying what application would you like to use. You can choose Outlook, and then it will give you the ability to switch on and off the whole school calendar, which is really good when you are trying to see if there's a clash with some of the events and your personal timetable. You can switch it on and off, and that's a live sync. Okay, that was the first one. That was a long one. Second one, calendar, using next year's calendar to plan. When you actually go to resources cross-campus calendar, here, look, you'll see, scroll down a little bit, and you'll see that there is an Excel version of next year's calendar that you can download and use for planning. So I'm going to download a copy here, and it will open it. I can open up the file and then start editing it. I could, if I wanted to use it, I could upload it back to Google Drive or OneDrive and then share it with people. So I'm just going to hide this and start planning. Oh, I've got to click enable editing first. There we go. So let's hide that and then start planning based upon these things. So a useful document to support your planning process. Next, let me just remind myself of what's next on our list. Okay, at this time of year, I'm usually uploading photographs to the blogs for next year, and I need to remove the background sometimes of the photographs that are given to me. And so I use this particular website, very useful website. It's called remove.bg. And you upload the photograph that you want to remove the background. So if I click on upload file, I think I've got one already that I just captured a moment ago. There you go, and it will remove the background for me. It's not done a very good job with the headphones, but it's removed the background, and then I can download it. So remove.bg, useful one to bookmark. Talking about removing backgrounds, Glenn sent this one to me, and this is amazing. You can remove the backgrounds from video as well. So I just took a little video of myself in my room. Look, there we go. And then uploaded it from this site here, which is called unscreen.com. And it's removed the background. And then I can download the video as a GIF, or I can just download it as an MP4. It's really useful, and you can change the background as well. So have a play around with that, either with your students or yourself. I'm going to open up that GIF actually and have a little see what it looks like. There we go. Look, brilliant. That's my fourth tip. My last tip is using OneDrive as a storage place. Let's just do a quick comparison. Don't get me wrong, Google Drive is great, but OneDrive allows you to do a few things that Google Drive cannot do. So if I go to my OneDrive, probably the best place to go if I go back here. In fact, if I'm on OneDrive already now. If I click on the waffle, I can go to OneDrive. OneDrive allows you to actually put hyperlinks in it. So this, for example, if I drag this and then put it into my OneDrive file and let go and upload, it will allow that URL to be a URL, and then I can open up the website again. Let's just click on it. There we go. You cannot do that in Google Drive. When you do it in Google Drive, you get some error message pop up. Let's just show you so that you're familiar with it. Let go, and it says here, look, no preview available, because I just tested it. And the same as well for links. If I've got, sorry, not for links, but for messages. If I've got a message in my inbox and I want to keep that message, I'm going to go to my OneDrive. I'm going to drag the message from Outlook into here and then let go, and it will upload that message and I can then open it within OneDrive. You cannot do that in Google Drive. So some differences, some key differences between OneDrive and Google Drive. I'm going to stop there. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.